Our 72-inch ETL NSF certified bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 71¼ inches. Depth, we have 27 inches. And the height with caster wheels, 47½ inches. Bakery case will include a 110/120 voltage outlet connection, power switch, and analog controller for your temperature control settings. Dual slide glass doors, and 2 adjustable glass shelves. Interior dimensions, we have 22½ inches depth. And overall length will be 69¾ inches. As for the height, from the bottom to top of the door track will be 23 inches. Dimensions for each glass shelf. Will be 14¾ inches in depth. And length will be 67 inches long. Those are our dimensions for each glass shelf. Our 60-inch ETL NSF certified bakery display case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.